Okay, so we're gonna set up that hammock. We're gonna set up the hammock. Here's the hammock. So we're going deep, deep, deep. Okay guys, so we picked these two trees right here. So he's gonna hammer right there, the hook. And the other one is gonna go on this tree.
Yes.
And we got some kids over there, they're trying to rescue the fish. Okay, so we have finished putting the hooks. So here's one right there. And here's the other one, as you can see. So he's gonna do the honors.
All right, here you go.
Ta-da! The second one. Come on, there we go. Okay. Okay, so let me do the honors.
Should give it safe.
Okay.
A bounce around.
Ta-da! So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. You're not thirsty?
No, not that.
It's like being in the Bahamas. Beautiful.